Welcome, this is Neco year 2019 English objective past question number 64. And to this question, the instruction says choose from the options lettered A to E the one that most appropriately completes each sentence. And this instruction is to answer question 41 to 70 of this examination paper. And the statement in question number 64 says the manager asks dash of the workers would be in office at the weekend. The manager asked dash of the workers would be in the office at the weekend. The manager asked dash of the workers would be in the office at the weekend. A, which. B, who. C, whose. That is who with an apostrophe S. Then option D, whom. Then option E, whose. First and foremost, whose is not an English expression, and in a special situation we can refer to it as a construct, that is shortening of an English word or phrase. Maybe for instance, who is, then you construct it, then you now have this apostrophe. That is what can happen in special situation. Then whom and whose are like similar or that same. Then we cannot use who here because who here is a relative pronoun that represents human or a person. So the manager asked who of, imagine, the manager asked who of the workers. No. So the adjective, the correct adjective here is which, because the manager is only trying to find out that the manager asked which of the workers will be in the office at the weekend, not who of the workers. So option A is correct. So the manager asked which of the workers. And now let me sound this. The reason for this wish, because under direct WH we have what called direct WH question and indirect WH question. Now is to tell you that there are many or there are other alternatives. For instance, you cannot ask which is your name. Which is your name? Have you wondered why people don't ask? But why is it that what is your name? Have you wondered why it is like that? Because what is specific is specific. Then which, it means that there are many options that are available in respect of the question ask with which. And that's why if you look at workers, there is S, so it is in plural form. The word workers is in plural form. That tells you that there are many. So and that is the reason why we say which is the correct pronoun to be used in this expression. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.